Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video we are learning about C compilation process. Okay, so I write something here. You can see in compilation stages there is 4 stages there. If we are talking about first stage, it is nothing but preprocessor. In second stage it is translator. In third stage assembler, and in fourth stage linker. So let me discuss about preprocessor. So preprocessor, this all is, we can say, compilation stages, and these compilation stages, first stage preprocessor, it is include header files. I think you already know what is header files. Let me see, this is header file. Okay, I want to include whatever data is available in this header file. I need to include in this .c file. So that task is done by preprocessor. After that, remove the comments, removing all comments from our C file. You can see here comment is there. Okay, now how to check this preprocessor stage, like converting this C file to .i file. So command for that, gcc capital E file name and output file is file.i. Here my file. Okay, so this file I am converting to I file, sorry. So let me open this I file, and you can see here comment line is removed, and header file, whatever header file data is there, this all header file data is included. You see this one, and this comment line is also removed. After you observe, I define here, this is called macro. This macro is also replace. See here I get 3.14, but I am writing there pi. These macros, whatever value is there, that value is coming here. This is called replacement of macros. Replace macros. This task also done by preprocessor stage. Now this if else include statements. Suppose in my file I am not defined that max macro. Okay, if max macro is defined, then only this statement is execute, otherwise this statement is execute. No macro, no max found. Okay, after that and if. This and if is mandatory. Let me you can see in .i file no max found is there only. That whatever has if statement is there, it is not include, only else statement is include. So this task is also done by preprocessor. Okay, this four instruction work, we can say these 4 steps is done by preprocessor. After preprocessor, this is translator. Second stage of compilation is translator. Now what this translator is doing, this translator converting like C language to assembly language. For command for converting this, like execute this stage, is this one. Okay, let me compile this one. I will show your assembly language code. You can see here some warning. It's saying printf is not defined. Declaration of printf. You can say this is actually error like printf, and but I am writing PRITNF. But when you compile preprocessor stage, this one, there is no error. Okay, now in assembly it is just giving warning, there is no error. Okay, so we can learn here what is preprocessor errors, the types of errors. We create one video on this. Okay, and we on this video we are learning like what is preprocessor error, translator error, assembly and linker error. We can learn all things. Okay, so here you can see it is just giving warning only, no error. My .s file is already created. Okay, this is nothing but assembly language. Now after this assembly language, this translator work is converting C to assembly, that is done. After that, assembler work is converting assembly language file to object file, means machine understandable code. So we can compile on this stage. You can see there is again no error. Okay, and this is nothing but binary language 0101 hexadecimal. Okay, so if I am compiling this last stage of like linker stage, assembly, you understand, this is nothing but assembly language to machine code 01 format. Now this is linker. Linker is whatever predefined function is there, that function or all function, they need to link here. You can see suppose here main.c is there and sum.c is there. I want to create only one file, a.out. So this both object file is linked this a.out. That task is done by this linker. Now if suppose my that function is not defined, see printf is already defined, but by mistake I write that this one, so it is finding this and it is not get, so it is error. But which time? It is linker time. When this added, this definition is added in linker stage, then linker only give these errors. So if I directly compile, you can see error in main, this function is not found. Okay, so this is called linker error, and this warning is nothing but assembly warning. We already see that one. So let me change the file. I hope you understand this linker and assembly stage. If I giving the only object file, it is previous object file is collected. On that previous object file, it is not updated. Okay, so for let me remove this all .il .s .o. You can see, okay, already one more is there. Let me remove this all files. Now only this file is there. Okay, one .c file. And if I am compiling direct all compilation stage is completed and I get a dot out. But I am talking that compilation stage means this all process is done. Then how to save this .i file, .s file? It is definitely generated. So we can see here as a proof, save temps, and after that file name. You can see whatever temporary file is created, .i, .o, .s, this all is saved. Okay, so this is nothing but your compilation stages. And here one more thing I want to say is, see, whatever .h file is there, it is nothing but header files, and header file and library file are different. Library file contain only machine code, means binary format. This o.dll.so, this is nothing but library files, and header file is we can see data like readable format. This is extern. Okay, this all is like readable. It is not machine code. Main C file is also there. So header file is nothing but text file. It is not an library file. Okay, so that is all about compiler stages. I hope you understand that, and we meet in next videos. We discuss related to types of errors or something else. Okay, thank you so much.